Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fill a shape with a bitmap image pattern in Affinity. So let's jump right in. I'm gonna head to the shape tool, and from here you can choose any shape you like. But I'm gonna pick the rectangle tool. I'm gonna draw a square right here on my canvas and adjust it to the size and position I want. So after that, I'm gonna grab the fill tool and make sure the shape is selected. Then I'm gonna head to the context toolbar. On the context option, I'm gonna make sure it's set to fill, so the bitmap pattern is applied on the inside of the shape, not the outline or the stroke. Then on type, I'm going to select bitmap, letting me choose the image I want to use as the pattern. So let me pick this one. I can double click on it or simply click open. And now you can see the shape is filled with the bitmap already. I can drag the handles here to resize and adjust the pattern. So there you have it, an easy and fast way to apply a pattern to a shape in Affinity. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.